Here's a detailed recipe for boiled corn on the cob, perfect for summer barbecues or a cozy family meal. Ingredients: fresh corn on the cob, as many as you need. Water, enough to fill a large pot. Salt, which is optional. Butter for serving. Additional toppings, optional, like paprika, cheese, or lime. Equipment: a large pot with a lid, tongs, a butter dish, which is optional. Instructions: select your corn. Choose fresh corn that is bright green with tightly wrapped husks. Look for kernels that are plump and milky when pressed. Prepare the corn. Husk the corn by removing the outer green leaves and silks. You can do this by pulling down the husks from the top to the base. Rinse the cobs under cold water to remove any remaining silk. Boil water. Fill a large pot with enough water to cover the corn. If you prefer, you can add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt to the water, which can enhance the flavor of the corn. Bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat. Once the water is boiling, carefully add the corn cobs. Make sure they are fully submerged. Cover the pot with a lid to bring the water back to a boil more quickly. Boil the corn for about 4 to 6 minutes for tender, sweet corn. If you prefer it softer, you can cook it for up to 10 minutes. For a different texture, you can also try the soak method. After bringing the water to a boil, turn off the heat, add the corn, cover, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, let's carefully remove the corn from the pot using tongs. Place it on a serving platter or directly on plates. Serve it hot with butter and your choice of toppings. Here are some topping suggestions for your delicious corn classic butter. Spread butter over the hot corn and sprinkle with salt. Spicy? Add a sprinkle of chili powder or cayenne pepper for a kick. Cheesy? Grate Parmesan or sprinkle crumbled feta on top. Citrusy? Squeeze fresh lime juice over the corn for a refreshing twist. A few tips to make your corn even better. Freshness. The fresher the corn, the sweeter it will taste. Try to cook it the same day you buy it. Leftovers. Boiled corn can be refrigerated and eaten the next day. Reheat it quickly in the microwave or briefly in boiling water. Variations. Experiment with different seasonings or try grilling the corn after boiling for a smoky flavor. If you enjoyed my video, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Flavor Fusion. Enjoy your delicious boiled corn on the cob, perfect for any occasion.